Hello, and welcome to our channel. If you're tired of dealing with unpleasant odors in your refrigerator, we have the perfect solution for you. Introducing the Refrigerator Deodorizer, a game-changing product that will keep your fridge smelling fresh for an incredible 10 years. Our advanced catalytic decomposition technology eliminates harmful gases and odors at the source, ensuring that your refrigerator remains odorless and your food stays fresh for longer. This means you can say goodbye to constantly replacing baking soda and bamboo charcoal air purifying bags. Not only is our deodorizer incredibly efficient, but it also boasts a decade-long service life, saving you money and reducing waste. Made of high-quality SUS 304 stainless steel, it's not only highly effective, but also stylish and durable. The best part? There's no need for any power supply, and it's completely fragrance and chemical-free. Simply place it in your refrigerator, and it will do the job with no saturation or secondary pollution. But that's not all. Our deodorizer is compact and portable, making it perfect for small spaces like drawers, shoe cabinets, storage compartments, cars, gym bags, and travel suitcases. It's the perfect thoughtful gift for friends and family, showing that you care about their health and well-being. So why wait? Click the link in the description and order your refrigerator deodorizer today. Say goodbye to fridge odors and hello to a fresh and clean refrigerator. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing product reviews and recommendations. Thank you for watching.